Hello students, welcome back to our channel Eklavya Education Point, and in this video we are going to discuss the chapter French Revolution, which is the first chapter of class 9th CBSE based history. Students, if you are new here, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get real-time updates about our upcoming projects. So now that you're a subscriber, let's get started. Students, in this video, we are going to discuss 5 important questions of this chapter. The first question we are going to discuss is: ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of the French Revolution. Explain the statement in the light of French Revolution. Students, first of all, we need to understand that the people of Third Estate demanded a society based on freedom and opportunity to all. The National Assembly was formed in 1791 with an object to limit the powers of the monarch. The constitution framed in 1791 began with a declaration of the right of men and citizens. Censorship was abolished in 1789. Therefore, we can say that ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of the French Revolution. Moving on to the second question we are going to discuss is: explain the impact of the French Revolution on the life of people of France. Divorces was made legal and could be applied by both women and men. Women could be now trained for jobs. Secondly, the Constitution of 1791 began with a declaration of the rights of men and citizens. It proclaimed that freedom of speech and opinion and equality before law were natural rights of each human being by birth. And finally, newspapers, pamphlets, and printed pictures appeared steadily in the towns of France. From there, they traveled into the countryside. All these three are the major impacts of the French Revolution on the life of French people. Moving on to the third question we are going to take a look at is: describe the status of nobles in France before the Revolution. The clergy and the nobles led a life of luxury and enjoyed numerous privileges. On the other hand, the peasants and workers lived a wretched life. They groaned under heavy taxes and forced labor. The middle class, comprising of lawyers, doctors, teachers, etc., also suffered humiliation at the hands of the clergy and the nobles. This state of social inequality was the chief cause of the French Revolution. Now the fourth question we have is: what measures were taken by Maximilien Robespierre to bring equality in the French society? Robespierre government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Peasants were forced to transport their grain to the cities and sell at prices fixed by the government. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. All citizens were required to eat the quality bread, a loaf made of whole wheat. Equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech and address. Churches were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks or offices. These were the measures taken by Maximilien Robespierre to bring equality in the French society. Now the fifth and the final question we are going to take a look at is: how did the peasants contribute to the outbreak of the French Revolution? Explain. The peasants had to pay various taxes to the government, to the nobles, and to the churches. They were subjected to forced labor. They had to work free in the land of the nobles for 3 days in a week. Crops were trampled by hunting parties of the nobles. About 81% of their income went to the state nobles' church, 19% of the income was there to live on grass and roofs, and 1,000 people of them died due to starvation. As a whole, the administration was corrupt. These were the reasons that led to the outbreak of peasants in the French Revolution. So students, on this note, I would like to conclude this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get real-time updates about our upcoming projects. I will be back tomorrow with a new video. Till then, thank you.